Here we go, organ. We're gonna see if we can try and clean you, make you sound better. Okay. Two screws to remove. Well, if you've ever wondered what the inside of an electronic organ looks like, there it is. There it is. Now I'm just taking apart random parts to see if cleaning them will make the organ work a little better. I don't know, just thinking dirt in the electronic contacts and stuff, so we'll see. Probably do nothing. Well, I fixed every note that was wrong, but now this one doesn't work. All of the other ones work except this C. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it works. This one wasn't working and I fixed it. But this one doesn't work. Update on the cleaning of the organ. Seems I got that note to work. So now every note works on my organ. You know how you make your organ work? You take those keys and you go, work, 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 work. And eventually, they do work. Who would have thought of that? Here, how's the organ is looking, right? Pedals are over there. It's all a mess. Let's clean it all up. Let's try the organ out. It's been fixed. At least I tried to fix it. Let's see, put it on the organ shoes. Woo! Benji up. Benji up. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Hey, thanks for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed that. Subscribe if you want. See ya. Benji, play. Benji, play. Play, Benji, play. Play, Benji. Play, Benji. Play. Play. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Down. Down, Benji. Down. 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 Good boy.